Welcome back to Spanking on the Trail. This is Firelighting 101. What we have here today is Samba firelighting, Zippo Mag strike, available from Woolworths, 32 cubes, $4.50. We're just going to go see if we can actually light this thing using a mag strike. Comes in small bricks. Just break off a bit here. Feels like cardboard, mixture of a waxy material. We'll just break this up and make it a bit fluffy so we can get a took a spark really well. Remember folks, there are no barriers, just stepping stones to higher ground. Spanky out.